Good morning, everyone. Today is our very first morning discussion post. Each morning you're going to get a different discussion post presented by one of the facilitators from an upper elementary team, and we are going to ask that you respond to the post either with a video like I'm doing right now, with an audio clip, or with typing your answer. So again, you can decide how you're going to make your posts. You can do a video like I'm doing right now, you can do an audio link, or you can just type it up. Okay, so we are really looking forward to the responses that you have. We're hoping that you can get in and view your classmates' comments so that this can actually truly be a discussion post that we continue on throughout our day. Again, each day you will be getting a different discussion post. And every single day you can record a video to respond, you can record an audio to respond, or you can type in your answer, okay? Thanks so much. Have a great day.